Morning, Steve Freed in Chicago with the results of the USDA acreage and stocks report. Well, we always say that the USDA has surprises for us, and this report is no different. The USDA came out and said that farmers are going to plant 91.7 million corn acres. That compares to 92.7 and that they said in March, and the average guess was 86.7. So they were not only factoring in any of the acreage that farmers didn't get planted because of the wet spring. They lowballed the soybean acres, only 80 million acres versus 84.6 in March, and the average guess was 84.3. So there's not really a way to explain the numbers being so far off the average trade guess and what the trade was trading. But I think one thing is when they took the survey, farmers did still want to plant corn, and the corn-bean ratio favored corn. So we won't get another official report until January, but we'll see what they say as we go down the road with acres and things of that nature. We get the pre-plant acreage numbers in August, and then we get the insurance acreage numbers in October. So some people think it won't be even until November until we actually know the acres of farmers actually planted. So we've got corn down 13 cents and beans up 5 cents. Wheat is also down 14 cents. They said that all wheat acres were 45.6. That's right in line with the average trade guess and pretty close to what they said in March. As far as June 1 stocks, corn 52.02. The average guess was 53.32. Wheat stocks 10.72. The average guess was 1100. And soybean stocks 17.90. That's almost 100 million bushels below the average guess of 1861. But it's still a record soybean stocks number for June 1. So now I think the trade's going to focus on the trade talks over the weekend. I think the funds got to figure out whether they want to stay long, 100,000 contracts of corn with this bearish number. And I think that they going to see if they want to add to their soybean long, that they or reduce the soybean short and go long beans because of these numbers. They're still bearish numbers. It's not quite as bearish as what the trade had thought. We were surprised this morning by the fact that China bought 544,000 tons of U.S. old crop soybean sales. Some people think this was a goodwill gesture to U.S. farmers, showing that they're the good guys in this whole trade talks and that they could come in and buy U.S. beans if there is a trade resolution. As always, these are my thoughts, not those of ADM or ADM Investor Services. Have a safe and profitable trading day.